Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how to use this really cool platform called SubStack to monetize your written content. So let's say you're looking to build a subscriber base, both free and paid. You can do that on Substack completely for free. It's really easy to get started. You just create your Substack and you can start writing, putting up content, and then promoting it in your various channels. Like, for example, I have a Facebook group with about 10,000 members and a LinkedIn group with about 7,000 members, which I can use for promoting my Substack account, right? So they can either become a free member or they can pay for a monthly subscription, which you can charge however much you want, which takes me into my next thing that I want to talk about, and that is payment. So right here it says, great writing is valuable. On Substack, writers earn a living doing what they love. And so you can set up paid subscriptions in just a few minutes with Substack. So this shows you pretty much how much you can expect to make based on the number of subscribers you have. So for me, I actually have roughly 600 subscribers, which I've brought over from another platform called Ghost, which is quite similar to Substack. Basically just took them and migrated them over to this platform. So I have about 600 subscribers, and I'm charging $7 a month. So it shows right here, if you have if all of those are paid subscribers, you can be making about $2,300 a month by just monetizing your written content. So this is really good for copywriters or people that basically independent writers that want to get paid for their work, right? And podcasters, bloggers, like comic creators, food writers, you name it. So I just created my account yesterday, and I'm going to show you what that looks like in a minute here. But first, I want to show you this guide to paid subscription. So this basically walks you through the process of getting more paying subscribers, some of the best strategies to use. You want to build a community around your publication, promote it on other platforms, like let's say Facebook and LinkedIn, like I'm doing, to just start growing your subscriber base. In the first, few weeks or so, you're probably not going to be getting many paying subscribers. They're just going to be free. But the more that you promote it through email to your subscribers, some of them will convert over to paying members, and then you can basically just be getting monthly subscriptions doing what you love. So I think this is a great idea, and I'm just going to show you kind of how it works. So I'm going to close this window and show you what my Substack looks like. So here's my Substack. It's called Be Remote Consulting. I sort of wish that I had chose work from anywhere instead, because that's what my community is about, but I don't know if there's any way to change it at this point. So this is what I have. And as you can see, I already have a lot of articles here. I can go over to my archives and I can show you all of the articles right here. By the way, link in the description below where you can subscribe to my Substack. I'd really appreciate it, either free or paid. I'm just looking to grow my subscribers at this point. So I just had to go through and edit some of these because they didn't have thumbnails, and I've added images to all of the posts. But yeah, as you can see, I have about 50 different posts here. Most of them I brought over from Ghost and then just put them straight into Substack. So let's choose one here. Here's a post I made about how to become a digital nomad, right? So this is what the article itself looks like. And you can see the header up here and then the subheader. And then this little section here is basically it's convincing people to subscribe. And I'll show you what the actual page looks like for somebody that is just checking it out. So here's what the page looks like when somebody first goes to the website, right? Subscribe. So they can enter their email, or they can say, no, thanks, I'm not interested. And then it brings them into my Substack with all of the articles listed here. So yeah, really cool. They can easily subscribe with their email, and I'm starting to get more subscriptions already. There's more information here. And then you can also create a welcome email that they will receive when they first subscribe, which I'll show you a little bit more about later. But yeah, so you get them to subscribe, and then it starts the article right here. So this is the full article. It's not very long. There's really no length requirement as far as I know. Obviously, if you write longer articles, it's going to do better from an SEO point of view. So I would recommend, at least 1,000 characters. But this one is not very long. And usually at the end, I'll put like a link to my YouTube channel or someplace else they can go, or like get them to schedule a coaching call, something like that. Some call to action at the end is important. So that's one of the free articles, which anybody can look at. And then I also have some paid articles as well. So here's one that is actually a paid article. And if I come over here, I can show you what that looks like for somebody coming to the site. So this one's on how to write a winning cover letter using ChatGPT. And if I scroll down, you can see here, keep reading with a 7-day free trial. This is a paywall that I have put up to basically incentivize somebody to become a paid member with a free trial. So if they click on start trial, then as you can see, they can join monthly. So that's $7 a month, or they can become a yearly member for $75 a year, or a founding member for $175 a year. And they can choose however much they want here. It has to be more than $175 per month. So they can actually choose $200 a year if they want to. If they want to become a founding member. And then these are the various perks that they get by becoming a paid member with their email, and then they can enter their credit card info right there. So yeah, if anyone wants to become a paid member on my Substack, that would be great. I'd really appreciate it. Link in the description below where you can do so. And so yeah, that's essentially how to use Substack to start monetizing your written content, right? And if I want to edit this post, I can easily go here, and then it will open up the editor mode where I can, let's say, add other buttons or change the text if I want to. I can also change things like SEO, update the thumbnail image, all that sort of stuff directly from the dashboard here. And this one right here, you can actually see it's got about 330 views. And right here, this is the number of subscribers that I sent it to, roughly 600. And that's the open rate. So 34% of the people open the email. And out of that, it looks like I got one subscriber, free subscriber. So definitely could be better. But over time, it's going to just continue to grow. So here, if I click on subscribers at the top, you can see how many subscribers I have. So in total, I have about 613 subscribers. Again, a lot of those have just come over from my email list that I've been building for quite some time. Here's all of my subscribers. They're all free. None of them are paid yet, but hopefully soon. And I can also come to my stats tab where I can see how much traffic I'm getting to my Substack. So right here, you can see direct traffic. That's most likely coming from search engines like Google or Bing. I've got about 95 visits, which is pretty good considering I just launched this Substack yesterday. I've already got 95 visits. I think mostly that's due to the fact that I already have quite a few articles listed on my site. And the more articles that I put up, the more traffic I'm going to get to the website, which is definitely good news. And Facebook, I've got about 60, and 10 of those have become subscriptions just in one day because I've been promoting it a little bit on my Facebook group. And then LinkedIn, I've got about 2 subscribers coming from there. So overall, we're off to a pretty good start. And obviously, I can send out an email blast with one of my articles anytime that I want. I've already done one today and one yesterday. and I'll do another one tomorrow, most likely. And then if I come to settings over here, you can see basically how you can just customize your site. So you can choose the category, you can choose a description, obviously publication name. I could change this to work from anywhere instead of be remote consulting, which I think I'm going to do right now. The URL is going to stay the same, but I want to change the title to work from anywhere because that's what my community is all about. Digital nomads, remote workers, that sort of thing. And another important thing is to make sure that the welcome email is set up properly. So there's the welcome email they receive when they first become a subscriber. That's for paid subscribers. And then this is the one for free subscribers. So I've already edited this a little bit, basically to show them what they're going to be getting from the newsletter and how much. I should actually change this because I think I've changed it to $7 a month. So I want to update that. It's $7 or $75 a year, and then they can subscribe, and then it shows what they're going to get if they become a paid subscriber, right? Just want to make sure I have that price right. So next I'm going to go to pricing here, payments. So yeah, $7 a month or $75 a year in USD. And then that's the price for a founding member. This is the free trial paywall right here. You can turn that on or off. And also these are the benefits you're going to get when you become a paid subscriber and that sort of thing. So all of this is customizable through settings, email sender name. I think I'm just going to, yeah, that's fine for now. Mailing address. I guess that's the address where SubStack is. I'm not totally sure. So we can change that. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So obviously you want to make sure that they can unsubscribe as well. So that's the page that they see when they unsubscribe. And that's all built in. So I can actually come over to my email here and I can show you what the email is. Here's the stuff looks like. So this is basically what it looks like. And it looks like I've already subscribed to a few. So if I want to read this article by Rowena, who's actually a leading authority, a thought leader in remote work. She's a digital nomad. She's doing really, really interesting things. So she does like interviews with other nomads, that sort of thing. So if I want to read her articles, then I can do so here. And I can just scroll through my feed. Let's say I want to look at a list of remote jobs right here. I can do that and find remote jobs to apply for. So yeah, it's really cool. And I definitely recommend, here's one of my articles right here, work from anywhere. So I can click on that and I can read it directly from Substack right here. So yeah, I definitely recommend, getting started with Substack. If you're a writer, let's say you're a blogger, a copywriter, finance writer, whatever it may be, this is one of the best ways to get paid for doing what you love, which in this case is writing. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. Take care, stay safe. Peace from Thailand.